Hi Gators, Mrs. DiMartino here, and today I have my lab assistant, Teagan DiMartino, and today we are going to do a fun experiment called Martian jelly. In front of you, you should have your STEM experiment kit from our fabulous avocado PTA, and you should have directions for the experiment. So you should also have grape jelly, we have baking soda, vinegar, a stir stick, and a plastic cup that in a little bit we're going to put some warm water in. Are you ready, Teagan?
Yes.
All right, so here's our question we're going to think about as we go through the experiment today. How do you think we could change the color of this grape jelly? I don't know. How do you think we can change the color, Teagan?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I guess we're gonna find out.
We are. We're going to find out. So do you think we could do it, though, using chemistry? Think back, 5th grade. We'll see. We'll find out here in a little bit. All right, kiddos. So the first thing you need to do is to fill the cup with about ½ a cup of warm water. Go ahead, my little lab assistant. See how careful she's being? Especially when you're working with warm water. I appreciate that. Good job. All right, so now, as you can see, we have about ½ a cup of water in there. And now we're going to place your grape jelly that's already pre-measured for you. It's about 1 tablespoon into the warm water. Lab assistant, go. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to stir to try to dissolve as much as the grape jelly as we can. You're going to notice that it's not going to dissolve completely, but that is okay. And while you're doing this, I want you to take note of what color the jelly is and what is color of the water as she stirs and tries to dissolve the grape jelly into the warm water. Nicely done. All right, so we're gonna let that set for just a second. Yep, I love how she's keeping her station clean. Thank you, lab assistant. So the next step that we're going to do is add baking soda. All right, so it's already, once again, pre-measured for you. It's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And as we add, we're going to observe what's happening. Ooh, Teagan's already noticing that something is happening even before we start to stir. So we have 2 things. What is happening?
It's turning black and it's fizzing.
So we're noticing a color change happening. It's turning black. And then what's happening to the water?
It's fizzing.
Fizzing. We even have something else happening inside of it. There's bubbles. Do you see the bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, so just to be careful before you start stirring, and sometimes there's more fizzing that happens than what happened with ours. So just be cautious when you go to stir, that you wait for the fizzing to go down before you stir it. And you will notice, so there is some kind of reaction happening, some kind of change. All right, we ready for the next step? All right, a little more magic happening. So we're going to wait, the fizzing has gone down, and now we're going to add our last step. And what is this, Teagan?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. It's about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Go ahead and watch what happens before our eyes. We didn't even have to stir yet. What happened, Teagan?
It changed colors again.
It did change colors again. So now we have where we started, right? The same color that happened when we first added the jelly to the warm water. So we can stir it up, see what happens, see if we get anything else. And also you can see there's still a lot of bubbles. Do you notice the bubbles? Ooh, and some more fizzing. Some more reactions happening. Ooh, each time you stir it. So you're activating it all together. Great job, Teagan. You're a wonderful lab assistant.
Oh,
Thanks for
thank
helping me
you.
today. All right, friends. So as you can see, we were able to change what?
The color.
The color by adding different types
of
materials or chemicals, right? We have a chemical reaction that just happened right before our very eyes. We changed regular grape jelly with a little baking soda changed their color, right? What color did it turn into?
It turned black.
Turned
and then
black.
It went back to its original color
Original state. And how did we do that?
by adding vinegar.
By adding vinegar. That's right. So the base in this, what do you think the base was? It was the baking soda. And then what is the acidic part of it?
The vinegar.
The vinegar. That's right. Good job. And these are all things that you can find right there in your own kitchen, just like we are today. All right, Gators, I hope you had a great time visiting with us and trying our very first annual PTA STEM family event. I know I'm having fun spending time with my family experimenting. So later, Gators, have a great day. Thanks for joining us. Bye.